Family, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Antonio. So in today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to add captions and subtitles to your videos like this. Listen, you guys, this is literally the easiest way that I found to do it. Your boy has scoured through YouTube University, and this is the best app that I found to do it. So you guys already know I'm gonna give you guys the secret sauce to make fire content so much easier. So if you're excited, go ahead and thumbs up the video. I would greatly appreciate it. But let's get into this step-by-step tutorial. Now, I do want to let you guys know this fun fact that 70 to 80% of people watch your videos with no sound on. And I know it sounds crazy, right? Like, how do you watch a video with no sound? But you've probably done it yourself, right? You've probably been at work or you've been at school and you weren't able to turn the sound on, but you definitely appreciated the videos with captions, right? So I'm going to show you this method, but make sure that you use it consistently if you want to see a big increase in engagement and overall views and likes, because again, most people are watching your video with no sound, so they're definitely going to appreciate, you having these subtitles and captions. So please, please, please use it consistently so you definitely see that lift in engagement. All right, you guys, I do have the app pulled up, so I'm going to go over everything that you need to know about Clipscribe, but I'm telling you, it's definitely worth it. Now, for the sake of time, I can't go over everything because there's so many features, but I am going to go over the main features of the app. Now, for me personally, I do prefer doing my editing of my subtitles on desktop versus mobile. Mobile is a little clunky right now, to be honest with you, but desktop is definitely A1. So I do recommend you doing all your editing of your subtitles on desktop. Now, let's talk about pricing because I know you guys want to, see that. So you can pay yearly or it is subscription based. A lot of these services give you a cheaper price if you do the yearly amount versus the monthly subscription. And so this is the yearly amount, $96, $144, $288 if you are an agency and you're watching this. Monthly is $10, $16, and $32. So you do save some money on the yearly pricing. There is a cancellation at any time. You guys can try for free for 7 days. So, if you want to check it out, if you want to try it out for free, make sure you hit the link in the description just to check it out. But that's that. Let's move on. So I'm going to show you kind of how everything looks like so you can kind of get a gist of what it's like to do your editing. So essentially, once you're logged in, you're signed up, right? They give you an option to select your files. So you would hit select file, you would upload, right? And then they give you an option of the type of, did you shoot the video horizontal or vertical? And I'll show you that now. Let me see if I have a short little clip that I can use. Let's just say this one. You see what I'm saying? So it'll show you, did you shoot the video horizontal or vertical? You would select horizontal and then it'll upload. But since I've already uploaded a video, I'm not going to do that right now. So once it's fully ready, right, it's going to ask you, it's going to tell you rather that the title is ready to design. So you click here. Now for me, since I've already designed one, it says you want to continue editing or start new. I'm just going to hit start new because this, again, is a tutorial. Boom. So then it's going to pull up all your aspect ratios. My favorite that I use a lot is the 1:1, but the 16:9, which is this. So if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. You're going to see this one most of the time. But if I am creating Instagram reels or anything like that, I will use the 1:1. This one here, because it just looks better for me personally. I like that one, but these are the two that I use. These two, the 9:16 but 1:1, and then the 1:1 16:9. I think those look the best. Okay, but then once you click it, it's going to show you all the templates that you can use. So yeah, I personally, obviously I created this template for myself, but you can use whatever template that you like. You can change the colors, all that. So let's just say we want to use, let's just say this template here. Then it's going to load up. My computer running slow. All right, so this is kind of like how the design looks, right? Everything is pretty much drag and drop. So if you want to maneuver anything or change anything or move anything over. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? So that's where your font goes, right? This is a test, right? And then if you want to change the color, gray, black, you know, blue, you can, right? If you want to change the color, I think you can even change the color of the box. Nah, let's see here. Yeah, like a little background glow. Like there's so many things that you can change. You can obviously change the font to whatever font that you want, right? And then if you want to change this, the sizing. So there's so many things that you can play with, you guys. It's crazy, right? And so that's what I love about it. You can change the colors, the fonts. If you want to add things, you can. Like there's so many features at this thing that, you know, it would probably take a lifetime for me to, you know, go through all of it, but that's essentially how it works. And then two, you can edit the caption, right? So you can play it through full-time on YouTube, as you see here. Best videos for you to watch. And so you can pretty much play it and then make sure that all your captions line up, right? Super simple, super explanatory. And so that's what I love about it. It's pretty on par, honestly. I don't have to do too much editing, so it makes it so much easier. And then the cool thing too, right? And so this is really good for you bloggers out there. Like you can literally upload the full video that you created and then you can create a blog, right? So it gives you the file that you need, right? Just copy and paste. So for all you bloggers that hate, you know, writing descriptions of your videos when it's already there. So this is definitely a lifesaver for people that like to blog their video content. It pretty much kills two birds with one stone. So this will definitely save you so much time and energy, right? And then if we go back here, you can also get the SRT file, right? So it's super dope. I really love this app. Obviously I went through it quickly because this is a YouTube video. I didn't want to take up too much of your time, but it's super simple, you guys. Like I promise you, this app saves me so much time, you know, just creating video content, because who likes doing descriptions, especially if you're vlogging, doing blogs. So yeah. But that is it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Like I said, hit the link down below. You do get a free trial to check it out. And it is an affiliate link. So if you do end up signing up, you know, I do get a small commission. But yeah, if you've been struggling to do subtitles, this is the easiest way to do it. Let me know if you guys plan on using it, because I definitely use this all the time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, be easy.